Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to restore Smart Wallet. Restoring the Smart Wallet involves using your recovery phrases to regain access to your wallet and its content. If you've deleted your wallet or if you've logged out of your Smart Wallet and you'd like to restore it again, then first of all, launch open the Smart Wallet app, and right after it opens up, select the language from the first interface and tap the next button. On the next page, tap on this I agree box and then click on Restore Wallet since we are restoring our existing wallet. Now, enter the entire recovery phrases in the correct order in the first tab. Write down each words clearly in the correct order. The recovery phrases will be listed on your previous backup for your Smart Wallet. If you didn't back up your Smart Wallet, then you will lose access to all of your wallet and its content. So always make sure to back up your recovery phrases before deleting or logging out of your wallet. If you don't know how you can back up your phrases, then check out our other videos on our Crypto Basics channel. After writing down all of the phrases in the correct order, click on the Restore Wallet button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, your wallet will be displayed on the page. Click on Next, and then you will be able to import your wallet or restore your wallet successfully. All you need to do is to carefully type in the recovery phrase in the exact order, and all your cryptocurrencies, tokens, or assets will be correctly restored. So that's how you easily restore your Smart Wallet using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.